What is a decision tree? Think about the decisions you make every morning. Should I bring an umbrella? Should I wear a jacket? You're already building a decision tree in your head. Today, we'll formalize that intuition into one of the most popular algorithms in machine learning. A decision tree is, at its core, a flowchart of yes or no questions. You start at the top with a question. Depending on the answer, you follow a branch down to the next question, and you keep going until you reach a final decision. Each internal node asks a question about one feature. Each branch represents a possible answer, and each leaf node at the bottom gives you a prediction. Here's what makes decision trees special. They are incredibly interpretable. Some models, like neural networks, are often called black boxes. It's hard to explain why they made a particular prediction. But with a decision tree, you can trace the exact path from root to leaf. You can explain every single step. That transparency is invaluable. In medicine, finance, and law, people need to understand and trust the model's reasoning. Let's make this concrete with a classic example. Imagine you want to predict whether to play tennis on a given day. You have 4 pieces of information: the outlook, sunny, overcast, or rainy; the temperature, the humidity, and whether it's windy. Your target is simple: play tennis, yes or no. Here's what a decision tree for this might look like. At the root, we ask about the outlook. If it's overcast, we go straight to yes, play tennis. In our data, every overcast day was a good day to play. If it's sunny, we check humidity. High humidity on a sunny day, no tennis. Normal humidity, go ahead and play. If it's rainy, we check the wind. Instead, windy, skip the game. Calm, grab your racket. So how does prediction actually work? You take a new data point, say a sunny day with normal humidity, and you walk it down the tree. Start at the root. Outlook is sunny, so go left. Next question. Humidity is normal, so go right. We've reached a leaf that says yes. That's our prediction. Every prediction is just a walk from root to leaf. To recap, a decision tree is a flowchart-style model. It asks a sequence of questions to arrive at a prediction. It's simple enough for anyone to understand, interpretable enough to explain every decision, and powerful enough for real-world tasks. In the next video, we'll tackle the big question: how does the algorithm decide which questions to ask? That's where entropy comes in.